So, in today, no, okay. Dang it! What's up, guys? I would like to welcome you all to my channel, A Hooper's Touch. My name is Dana, and in today's video, we're going to talk about why YouTube, why now, what to be expected on my channel, and when I am going to upload a video. So why YouTube, why now? I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for maybe the past 5 years. The only thing that stopped me is I was a full-time athlete, I was a basketball player, and a full-time student. And then shortly after, I had my son that is now a 2-year-old. So now that I've graduated and I have my son, I have free time to get on here and record some videos for y'all. So what is to be expected on my channel? DIY, makeovers, thrifting hauls, you name it, I'm gonna upload it. Stay tuned for my son's Christmas present because I can't spoil the surprise, but it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be worth watching. And I am going to upload every Monday at 6 p.m. I would like to thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you can, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and send it to your friends. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.